So students, we are on second paragraph. In second paragraph, writer moves from geographical description of Arab to the cultural description with respect to Arabic language and their eloquency in Arabic language. In the start of second paragraph, writer mentioned the two qualities of Arab, that they were extremely sharp in memory as well as very eloquent in their language. The word eloquency means the fluency and the competency in any language. Let me tell you some interesting facts about Arabic language. Ancient Quranic Arabic language is approximately 1500 years old language with approximately 300 million speakers all around the world, mostly from Middle East, and some of them are from North Africa. It is also one of the 6 official languages of United Nations. And above all, it is the language of Holy Quran. The second thing mentioned in this paragraph is the poetic sense of Arab. They love to write poetry and they love to listen poetry as well. We can observe their competency in poetry by this thing that they were conducting an annual world poetical competition जहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया से शोहरा आते और वहाँ उनकी शायरी का मुकाबला करवाया जाता था। यह भी किसी मौजज़े से कम नहीं है कि अल्लाह अलमाइटी ने अरबी ज़बान को कुरान के लिए मुंतखब किया और अपना आखिरी पैगाम अरबी ज़बान में लोगों तक पहुँचाया। So this was all in this paragraph. I hope you understand it well.